Good morning and welcome everyone in the social science class. We are discussing lesson 8 of geography and the name of the lesson is land and the people. In previous video we discussed about the desert, that is the Sahara desert, which is known as the hottest desert of the world, and we also discussed about the Ladakh desert, the coldest desert of the world. And today we will discuss about the grasslands of the world, in which we will discuss about the temperate grassland or prairies of the North America and the Velde of the South Africa. So we will start this chapter with life in the temperate grassland. Just as a forest can be defined as a place where trees are the main type of vegetation, grassland can be defined as the region where grasses form the dominant type of plant's life. Grassland make up almost a quarter of total land surface. The type of plant that grow here greatly depend on what the climate and soil are like. As climate play an important role in the formation of grassland, it is generally used at the basis of divided the world grassland into two broad categories, that those occurred in temperate region and also in the tropical region. So the temperate zone where climate conditions are moderate, the grassland are common. The grassland which are found between the tropic and the subtropical region are known as the temperate grassland. They are known by the different name in the different continent. For example, prairies in North America, pampas in South America, steppes in Asia and Europe, downs in Australia, and veld in Africa. The temperate grassland provide good pasture and ideal condition for the animals rearing. And in this section we will study about the two temperate grassland of the world, the prairies of the North America and the veld of the South Africa. Prairies originated from Latin word preta, which means the meadow of grassland. So we can find the prairies grassland in North America, and these they cover the large area of the USA and the Canada. And this area is drained by the river Mississippi and its tributaries, and the basin is very fertile and important for the agriculture. The prairies are bounded by the Rocky Mountain in the west and the Great Lakes in the east. There are many lakes in the eastern side of the prairies. The temperature of prairie is the continental type. Summers are hot and the winters are cold. The temperature in summer goes as high as 38 degrees Celsius, and in winter it can be low as 40 degrees Celsius. The rainfall is not sufficient for the growth of the trees. Instead, different type of the grasses can found here. And in some places grasses grow taller than a man. And the common animals that are found in prairies are the jackal, the fox, the rabbit, the prairies dogs, deer, and the bison. The grasslands of the prairies were the home of the Native American, often called the Red Indians, and they were the actual habitant of the continent. A large part of prairies is now being converted into agriculture land, and large cattle farm called the ranch. Ranch means the large farm, and the one who look after these ranches, these men are known as the cowboys. The main crop are wheat and the corn and the oat in the prairies, and the farms are big in size and the work is mostly done by with the help of machines. And this type of farming is known as the extensive farming. In this method of farming, modern method of cultivation and high yield variety of seeds are used. Hence, prairies have become famous as the granary of the world. Prairies known as the granary of the world due to the huge surplus of the wheat production. The population is mainly concentrated around the wheat growing area or the river. The prairies are very well connected with the all modern means of the transport, and due to the increase in the population in the recent past, the grassland have been cleared for the agriculture, construction of the transport routes and the settlement. And this has also resulted in the serious problem of the soil erosion leading to the drought condition. After prairies, now we will discuss another temperate grassland which is known as Velde, and Velde is in South Africa. Veld are rolling plateaus with varying height ranging from 600 meter to 1100 meter, and it is bounded by the Drakensberg mountain on the east. To its west lies the Kalahari desert. On the northern part, high Veld are located that attain a height of more than 1600 meter in some places. And the meaning of the Veld is field. The temperate grassland of South Africa covers the southern part of the Africa. The main river of the Veld are Limpopo River and the Orange River. These are the two main rivers in the South Africa Veld grassland. Now, the climate of the Veld is moderate type of climate. The summer are short and the warm, and the winters are long and cool. And rainfall is very low, so the drought are very common in such area. Due to the dry climatic condition, plants do not grow in this area, and that is why grasses are the dominated vegetation of the Veld. Agriculture is not possible in the Veld as it is a plateau area, and soil is not so much fertile. In addition, there is a lack of availability of the water, hence there is a low agriculture production here. The Veld grassland are rich in various minerals like the gold, diamond and the coal. And coal mines are very common in the Johannesburg, and the diamond mines of the Kimberley were well known on the western border of the Veld. The agro-based and the mineral-based industries all are the common here. The Veld area has reduced drastically due to the development of the towns, cities, industries, etc. And the natural environment in the Veld grassland is also distributed because of this rapid development. So that's it. Today we will discuss only this one. Rest of the chapter we will discuss in the next video. So thank you and have a good day to all of you.